In this video you will learn how to fix group FaceTime not working in iOS 17 or later, check software updates, go to settings, general and software updates, make sure you're running the latest iOS version that supports group FaceTime properly, enable FaceTime settings, open settings, FaceTime and make sure FaceTime is turned on, you're signed in with your Apple ID, verify all participants support group FaceTime, confirm that everyone in the call is supported, iPhone model, is on iOS 14 or later, turn on cellular or Wi-Fi, ensure you have a strong internet connection, toggling aeroplane mode off and on to refresh your connection, restart your FaceTime app, close the FaceTime completely from your app switcher and reopen it to reset the calling system, reset network settings, go to settings in general, then transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings to fix connectional issues that may block your group call. Now you know how to fix group FaceTime call not working in iOS 17 or later on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.